I don't understand. Bon appetit. This is the weirdest lunch I've ever seen.
She just poured water all over the food. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Today I'm doing a very different style of video from my usual, but I'm going over to see Emma from Emma's Rectangle. If you didn't know already, she is one of my best friends that I've made off of YouTube. We met each other right at the very beginning and have stayed friends ever since. And recently Emma has gone on a bit of a kind of health kick. She's changed her kind of daily routine, her diet, her exercise regime and all of that, and she's gone pretty healthy. And we thought that it would be a fun idea to swap diets for the day. So I am going to be eating whatever Emma is going to feed me, and she is going to be eating my diet, which basically consists of a lot of not the best foods. And I'm quite a fussy eater. I eat a lot of the same foods on a daily basis, and I don't eat anything too crazy. A lot of my stuff is very basic. I think she's going to feed me some stuff that I'm not going to like. I'm about to head to the supermarket to pick up my supplies, and I'm going to go to her house and we're going to swap diets for the day. Okay, we have a bit of an issue. I've just come to the supermarket. I've got my stuff. I messaged Emma before I left my house saying that I was on my way. I was going to stop at the supermarket and then I would let her know once I've left the supermarket. But I haven't heard back from her, and I'm now leaving the supermarket. It's 10:30. And I sent her another message and I still haven't heard back from her. She hasn't replied yet, so I don't know what to do. Do I go to hers and just turn up? I guess I do. Oh, and there's somebody behind me. I am gonna put my camera away now.
A few moments later.
I'm with Emma now.
Hello.
Hello. The way that this is gonna work is I am gonna be preparing the food that I would normally eat, and then Emma is gonna be eating it instead of her diet. And then I am gonna be eating whatever Emma is gonna prepare for me. I have no idea what you're gonna give me right now. You've seen a few hints of things.
I didn't need a hint to guess I was going to be eating Cocoa Pops for breakfast.
That is true. I have no idea what I'm going to be eating. I have no idea if I'm going to like it. I'm going to guess that I potentially will not like it because I'm quite a fussy eater. If you want to see how I react to Emma's food that she is going to be feeding me, then head over to her channel. I will link it down below. And yeah, let's just get into the eating. So I'm currently just waiting for Emma to make me her breakfast. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's definitely something that I would never normally have. If you guys have watched my vlogs, you will probably know, or just some of my Q&As, that every single day since I could eat, I can't even remember it. I genuinely can't remember a time where I did not have Cocoa Pops for breakfast. I don't know why my parents let me have these for my whole life, but it's now an addiction and I eat these every single day. Cocoa Pops, a big bowl of Cocoa Pops with milk, and Emma is not so keen on milk in cereal.
I have like barely any. I just make it moist. I don't like, I'm not like a milk drinker. I know, I use moist in your video.
I make it moist.
I make it moist. But I'm not like someone who drinks the milk out of their cereal. That just makes me feel really uncomfortable.
Well, I am, so enjoy.
God.
So we've decided that we're gonna eat outside. I normally have a bowl probably about this size at home, and I have a lot of Cocoa Pops. Normally I will fill it up to the top, then fill the milk up to the top, so I have a lot of milk as well. And then when I've eaten all the Cocoa Pops, there's normally about half of the milk still left in the bowl. Then I will pour more Cocoa Pops back in, eat that, and if I'm still hungry, I will pour more Cocoa Pops into the empty bowl and then refill it with milk. So I probably end up having about 3 or 4 times the recommended serving amount. But just so that Emma can put it into her fitness pal and everything, I'm gonna weigh my Cocoa Pops. Which is something I never normally do, but I'm so interested to see how much I actually eat. Kellogg's, please sponsor me. 77 grams. I think the recommended serving is like 30.
It's 30, so
What is it actually?
2.5 servings.
Yeah, 30 grams. And then I was just explaining how most of the time, because I fill it up with so much milk, then when I've eaten all the Cocoa Pops, there's normally milk left, and then I pour more Cocoa Pops back in. So
you probably have like 100 grams.
Nice.
Cool. Okay then.
Now it's time for the milk. Okay, so I'm also gonna weigh the milk. I mean, I know that milk is normally in milliliters, but let's see. You're actually going to hate this. Ta-da! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Enjoy! Are you ready for your Cocoa Pops?
Yeah, I love.
You love that
soggy
milk.
Look how much milk there is.
Okay, to be fair, I normally eat them straight away before they've gone soggy, so that's the slight issue. We maybe just took a bit too long going outside. What do you think? Nice?
It's Cocoa Pops.
Are you gonna drink all that milk, Emma?
You betcha.
They have gone really soggy, haven't they?
This is how my day is gonna go.
You look so amused. We're being attacked by wasps, so we're moving inside. Emma, I see a little bit of milk left in that bowl.
I see a little bit of tea left in that mug.
Shit.
I'm not one of these people. I will never be one of these people. Tim's one of these people. I don't understand. It's not like a milkshake or chocolate milk. It's no, sorry.
It's delicious, that's what it is. Delicious! Hello, so we are back again. The time is, well, it's actually now 3:20 in the afternoon. Me and Emma were just filming a get ready with me, so that's why I now look a lot nicer. I've done my makeup and everything. Emma's also done her makeup, but she is just preparing my lunch, which is gonna be over on her channel. For my lunch, I have the weirdest mixture of things. Most of the time I just kind of put snacky bits together because I'm such a, I don't know, I'm really not a lunch person, as in I don't like the typical foods that you would have for lunch. I way prefer warm foods, hot foods, like meals. I think because I had packed lunches every single day at school because I was so fussy, I had sandwiches every day of my life from the ages of about 7 to 18. I am just sick of sandwiches, so it's very rare that I will have a sandwich, and if I do, it will just be plain white bread with a little bit of butter and ham, and that is it. So for my lunches at the moment, I've been having toast with strawberry jam, which is kind of like a breakfast thing, and it's carbs and sugar, which is not part of Emma's healthy eating plan.
And butter.
Oh yeah, that's true. Although most of the time actually I use that fake butter stuff. What's it called? Flora or something?
I can't believe it's not butter.
Yeah, that one. But also as well, I will combine that with a bit of fruit, which is healthy. So I've got some peaches, we've got some bananas and some grapes. And then, this is the random part, I will then either have halloumi cheese, or if I don't have halloumi cheese, I will have some mini poppadoms with mango chutney. Even though I'm not having curry, I just love mini poppadoms and mango chutney. So that's what Emma's going to be having for lunch, and she seems to be preparing me something very healthy, so great. I'm not gonna lie, most days, because I kind of have snacky bits, I just have one slice of toast. But occasionally if I'm hungry I will have 2 slices of toast. It's just because I don't really move much when I'm at home, and obviously if I'm not exercising, my body isn't really burning off that many calories, so I won't lie to you, I don't get hungry that quickly. But normally when I've had my poppadoms and halloumi and fruit and toast, that's kind of enough to fill me up. Woohoo! I'm not doing a very good job at spreading this, am I? It looks so ugly. Asda own brand reduced sugar strawberry jam. Which I mean, I guess is better than non-reduced sugar, so that's one good thing.
Then added sugar. I hate the lumps. Are you a lump person?
I do not like the lumps.
Okay, good. Cooking with soap.
It's fine, it's fine. It's looking beautiful. And then I just cut it in half, and there you go. There's your perfect looking toast. Et voila! Bon appetit! That's pretty much it. And then on some days, if I'm really hungry, I will have another slice of toast and some halloumi. But today we're just going with an average day because it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we're having dinner in like 3 hours. So
I'm just sitting down for my
very abnormal lunch.
it's the weirdest lunch I've ever seen. Like, what is this combination of food? Someone tell me. What do you start with? I'm assuming toast?
Yeah.
Because it's warm?
Because it's probably cold now.
Yeah.
Like, imagine if there was halloumi on top of that as well. Not on top of the toast, I mean just in the mix of stuff.
I mean, you barely toast your toast. This is like bread.
Well, I just did it to how the toaster did it. I normally like it a bit burnt. But the toaster popped it out, so I just went with it.
Every meal I've been like, it's Cocoa Pops. This is what toast tastes like.
Pretty basic. I'm so jealous. I want to eat it.
I've made you a delicious and nutritious meal. And you want poppadoms and toast.
I really do. I really, really do.
To be honest, I don't really eat many carbs anymore, so...
Sneak peek of my lunch.
Hopefully this will fuel me for my spin class later. On to the poppadoms, I guess. Oh, and I have
I have
chutney.
some mango chutney. I normally just dip them in.
I'll just... So, hair.
No, it's not hair. It's shredded mango. Thoughts?
I love poppadoms. I'm missing protein.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
I haven't had anything with protein in it yet.
If I had halloumi, would that have protein in it?
Some. I'm going to enjoy my fruit and poppadoms now. And we'll see you guys at dinner.
Oh god, I'm scared. So, we filmed, well, we started filming another video, and then I've just been helping Emma with her YouTube banner.
I'm making a new banner, so make sure you go check it out and tell me what you think.
If it works out. It's dinner time. The time is 6:28. So, for Emma's dinner, I do actually cook quite a lot of different things now. A lot of the time I'll have some kind of like chicken curry. I do quite a lot of Thai curries. Or I don't know, like Indian curries, just loads of different forms of curries. However, on a day where I haven't got any chicken in, I'm feeling really lazy and I want to just put something in the oven, my typical meal, and I feel like this is a very sofa meal: chicken goujons, some French fries, and then I do actually have a bit of health. I have broccoli pretty much every day, and then I'm also gonna have some cauliflower. I've got a massive, well, when I say I'm gonna have some cauliflower, I mean Emma is gonna have some cauliflower, because that's my kind of...
Sorry.
Yeah, that's my dinner for Emma, and then there's gonna be some dessert as well. So
If my oven would turn on.
oh yeah, that might.
My oven's not working.
Okay, well that's not a good.
So bad. What's happening?
We had a bit of a dilemma for about 15 minutes where Emma's oven wouldn't work, and we're now just preparing the vegetables.
I unplugged it from the wall.
Oops.
Oh my god.
Me and Emma are.
This is a fighter.
I should be doing this really because I'm supposed to be preparing it for you, but we're just preparing some vegetables in general because we're both having vegetables in our meal. We thought we may as well do it all together. It looks like cheese. Like, what is that?
I hate cauliflower.
What?
It makes me feel so uncomfortable.
Well,
the texture is super weird.
Nom nom nom. This is about to go in the oven and I will see you in 20 minutes. Using a knife and fork because we can't find the spatula.
My kitchen was not all it's cracked up to be. Oh boy.
Oh,
Love a beige
Ooh,
plate.
That was a great one. Hey, it's not beige, we're adding some green. Don't come for me. I am a healthy girl. I'm not. Why am I incapable?
Oh my god.
Right, we're nearly there.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
I'm crying. My eyes are really sensitive because look, I've actually got tears coming out of my eyes.
Look at this girl.
Oh dear. Okay, and then your vegetable.
Be careful of the water.
Oh god.
No, I don't know, I saw that happening. She just poured water all over the food. Right, let mummy help. Here we go. Let's plate this up, shall we? Oh god.
I'm crying actual tears. That's a lot of vegetables. I wouldn't normally have that many. Oh, I've just soaked these chicken goujons.
Chicken goujy.
A chicken goujy. See, I would normally have loads of ketchup with this, but apparently that's not a thing in this house.
Oh my god. That tip was so wet. That was a wet sausage. Oh my god, this is still wet.
You're welcome.
Oh shit, this whole plate is still wet.
Oh no. Is it yummy? Apart from the moistness.
I love chicken nuggets and chips.
Okay. Well, that's
Actually, the cauliflower is the one thing I'm not sure about. Let me try it.
Your face.
It's just like sad broccoli. It's like broccoli, but like it's dead. I love broccoli.
Well, enjoy. So, Emma has gone to put her gym gear on, but I've just prepared her dessert for her. My favourite dessert, which I have quite a lot. I don't have this every single day, but I do have it quite a lot, even though it's really bad for you, but I absolutely love it. Is tiramisu. If you don't know what tiramisu is, it's basically like a coffee-soaked sponge on the bottom with like cream on the top. And it's just my favourite thing. And then it's got a sprinkling of cocoa powder. Emma hates it, so she's really going to enjoy this. She's just stomping up the stairs. But this is the portion. Okay, I've really made a mess of this, but it's basically 2 rows of the big square triangle. No, what's it called? Rectangle.
Rectangle. Wait, who's that?
Emma's rectangle.
How are you feeling about your tiramisu, Emma?
Honestly, the fact that I'm doing a spin class in like 20 minutes and I'm about to eat tiramisu feels kind of contradictory to it.
It's fine, you're gonna burn it
I
off.
don't know how this is gonna sit on my stomach during the class, but chin chin.
Cheers.
I hate tiramisu.
Why?
It's really bitter.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't find it that sweet. I find it really bitter.
I love it. It's my favourite thing. No.
It's one of my least favourite desserts.
Oh, well.
Tim loves it and he always gets it and I'm always like,
Enjoy.
oh, I will.
Okay, so with that concludes our swapping diets for the day video.
Yeah.
It's definitely been an interesting one. I've definitely tried some new things, and you've definitely tried, well, probably things that you've already had, but a weird mixture
I've decided
of foods.
didn't want to eat, but
Yeah.
now that didn't make sense. I'm so tired.
So yeah, Emma is now off to the gym, and I am now off to another barbecue with my friends. So I think if that doesn't sum us up right now, then I don't know what else.
What,
does.
you have a social life and I don't?
Hey, you still have a social life because you're going to the gym with other people.
Yeah, I know. I was just kidding, guys. I have friends, I promise.
I meant more that you're going to go and be fit and healthy, and I'm just going to keep eating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely been a fun one to film.
It's been a fun one.
God, my arm aches so bad. I'm gonna wrap.
You need to get to the
this
gym,
up.
babe.
Yeah, I do. Make sure you go and check out Emma's video to see what I had to go through today. And yeah, let us know down below. We did this on Emma's video, but let us know down below if you are more like me or if you're more like Emma. Are you Team Soph or Team Emma? Let us know. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.